8 reasons you have no energy. You'd be hard-pressed to find someone who doesn't hit snooze or experience the mid-afternoon slump every once in a while. But if you constantly feel like you are dragging it, maybe time to take a closer look at your routine. If you have a related health condition and are getting enough shut-eye each night, you may be to blame for each constant fatigue. Here are 8 energy zapping habits that you can change today. Number 1. You are eating too much sugar. While the candy jar is an obvious culprit, refined carbohydrates like white bread and rice, chips, cereal are a major source of sugar too. This type of simple sugar is digested quickly by the body, leading to a dip in blood sugar levels that leaves you feeling fatigued. Be sure to replace refined carbs with whole grain varieties for a lasting energy boost. Number 2. You aren't exercising enough. It may seem counterintuitive that exerting energy will actually increase it, but adding a workout to your daily routine will give you a short-term energy boost. Plus, regular exercise improves the sleep quality, which will ultimately leave you feeling more well-rested. Number 3. You are skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast can definitely contribute to low energy in the morning, says Johan Skimura, Miss an everyday health blogger. It's important to give your body good fuel to start the day after an extended period of fasting. Without this fuel, your body is running on empty, leaving you famished by lunchtime and more likely to make unhealthy choices that will cause that mid-afternoon dip in blood sugar. Try to combine healthy carbohydrates like fruit, veggies, and whole grains with a protein source such as eggs, nuts, or dairy. The carbs gives you an initial boost, and the protein helps sustain you until your next meal, says Sakimura. Number 4. You are sitting too much. Not only is sitting for prolonged periods of time harmful to your health, just 1 hour of sitting affects your heart, but it's a major energy zapper as well. Standing up and moving for even a few minutes helps get your blood circulating through your body and increases the oxygen in your blood, ultimately sending more oxygen to your brain, which increases alertness. If you work a desk job, try this move more planned to keep your blood pumping. Number 5. You are drinking too much caffeine. Whether it's a can of soda or constant refills of your coffee mug, many of the beverages we reach for when we feel tired are packed with caffeine, a stimulant that will give you a quick jolt, but can also leave you crashing soon after if you ingest too much. Plus, if you are drinking caffeinated beverages into the afternoon, they may start to have an effect on your sleep quality. If you are a coffee drinker, switch to water late morning and replace soda with seltzer for a bobby afternoon pick-me-up without the crash. Number 6. You are dehydrated. We all know the importance of drinking enough water, and even mild dehydration can have adverse effect on your energy level, mood, and concentration. Aim for at least 1 glass of water per hour while sitting at your desk, and be sure to fill your bottle up even more if you are doing a strenuous activity or are outdoors in high temperatures. Number 7. You have poor posture. A study found that slouch walking decreases energy levels while exacerbating symptoms of depression. The good news: simply altering body posture to a more upright position instantly boosted mood and energy, while enabling participants to more easily come up with positive thoughts. So sit up straight. Set reminders on your phone or calendar throughout the day to remind yourself to check in with your posture and straighten up. Number 8. You are not snacking smart. If you are running to a vending machine for a quick afternoon snack, your selection, most likely high in simple carbs and sugar, will take your energy levels in wrong direction. Instead, choose a snack that has a combo of protein and complex carbs for an energy boost that will last throughout the afternoon. Think trail mix, veggies and hummus, or peanut butter on whole wheat toast. I wish you all the best, and now up to another video. Peace out.